Hold on. My ears are here, right? Did I hear that Reggae Boys coaching and management team don't want no players who bleach them face in the squad? I heard Tapper Whitmore explaining that players who bleach will have a problem with the training sessions because they take place at 8 o'clock in the mornings and at 3 o'clock in the afternoon because the sun hot and the bleaching don't mix. No, listen, I am not a fan of bleaching. I don't practice it myself. But I think big people have the right to do what they want to do. And Coach Whitmore is in charge of the national senior football team, not a prep school or a kindergarten team. And the coach's job is to select and prepare his best players, whether them black or them white or them bleach. It should be about the effectiveness and the value of the player to the team and not about his hairstyle or his skin color. If he call up some baller and the baller them say, Coach, I cannot train in the sun because it will affect the bleaching, then him have a problem. But he ought not to be preempting and disqualify any player because of his hairstyle or because him cool in face. This sounds like the onset of a dictatorship, as obnoxious and as historically treacherous as bleaching is. We cannot go down this road. Tapper, we have enough genuine problems with the football as is to start another exercise of majoring in the minor. If the baller is good enough, or skillful enough, or creative enough, or can score goals good enough, it no matter if him face even cool till it freeze.